This project presents the manufacturing of a precision stainless steel component designed for mechanical assemblies operating under demanding conditions where maximum strength and dimensional accuracy are required. Welcome to B&K Precision Machining Channel. The component was manufactured from stainless steel using a combined production process. The blank was first produced by high-precision laser cutting and then finish machined on a CNC milling center to create all functional surfaces and precision features. During the engineering preparation stage, the technical drawing was carefully analyzed. Machining allowances, reference datums, and machining strategies were established to ensure maximum accuracy and repeatability throughout the production process. Machining operations included contour milling, precision groove machining, drilling, reaming, and finishing. Particular attention was given to the miniature R0.2mm internal radii and the precision 70-degree groove, both requiring exceptional machining accuracy. One of the most critical operations was producing two blind holes with a diameter of only 1 millimeter. The holes were precision reamed to an H7 tolerance while maintaining controlled depths of 2 and 3.2 millimeters without breaking through the material. The finished component achieved a surface roughness of RA 0.8, while all sharp edges were carefully deburred to improve assembly and reduce stress concentration. Quality control was performed throughout every stage of production, including material inspection, in-process dimensional verification, and final inspection using calibrated measuring equipment. The completed component delivers excellent dimensional stability, wear resistance, and corrosion protection, making it suitable for precision engineering, medical equipment, aerospace applications, and industrial automation systems. Subscribe to our channel to see more precision machining projects from B&K Precision Machining. Visit bnkmachining.com to learn more about our services. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next project.